Hey guys, Drew here, doing a video for the AK pistol, filler number 2. Top spot gets 1 spot. Let's copy the list. I'm going to go live. 10:22, just became 10:23. Got Jeremy, Anthony, Shannon, Greg, Chad, Daryl, Chad, Anthony, Jeremy. 2 dice, 4 or more. 12 is our number. First one, 10:23. After 1, Greg on top, Chad on the bottom. 2, Shannon, Anthony. 3, Jeremy, Shannon. 4, Jeremy, Anthony. 5, Jeremy. 6, Anthony. 7, Jeremy, Chad. 8, Jeremy, Chad. 9, Chad, Jeremy. 10, Greg, Chad. And after 11, we got Jeremy Robinson on top, Jeremy on the bottom. Gotta one more, 10 entries. Good luck. 10:24. Last roll, here we go. Good luck, guys. Chad Harrell, spot 8. Dice said 12, we went 12 times, there was 10 entries. Chad Harrell in spot 8. Here's your verification code. We're done. 10:24, 10:24.